Hello and welcome to American Closet System. Today we are going to show you how to install a closet like this. It's a wall mounted unit. It has 3 sections. So we have this unit in here. We are going to disassemble it and step by step show you how we will install that unit. The brackets are all open. You know, that would bring the lip in and out. So you want to make sure that the lip is all the way out. It makes it easier for you to clip to the back. And this screw is for bringing the bracket up and down. If you tighten it up, it will raise the whole piece up and down. So now we are going to hang the other panels and kind of at the approximate location that we are going to also do the same in here, and we are going to put these panels approximately in the right position. Now we put the 3 of the uprights approximately at the locations that we have. The first unit on the left, we call it unit number 7, so you can take a look at it. The fixture nailer has a 7 as an X mark on it, so that's going to be for the unit on the left. The middle unit, which is a drawer unit, has a reference number 8 on it. So we're going to put the fixture nailers. That piece that you see on the back is a nailer that is used for attaching, putting the screws through that into the drywall, 2-inch screws. So we are going to put the first fixture nailer up for unit number 7, and it helps a lot when you have the uprights generally in the right position. You know, makes it easier to install, and so now we are going to be doing unit number 8. Unit number 8, we're going to put the fixture nailer on the top, and again we tighten up the white cups. We turn it clockwise, and you see the nailer. That nailer we would attach from that nailer into the drywall, through the drywall into the stud. Now that we have all the fixture nailers in place, we are going to use the screw that's on the bottom, adjust these units. You have to maybe turn it clockwise or counterclockwise a little bit to level up the units, and we would go ahead and put screws through the nailer into the drywall to the stud. Make sure that you have to catch the studs on the center as much as possible. Now, as you can see, we have to put the level over there, and we would raise it up and down, and that will give you a nice level on the units. Now we are going to put the screws through the nailers into the drywall, and as you can see, we are doing that. And we put a cover cap on it so it's not seen. Now, once this step is done, we attach the top nailer. Then we would make sure that the units are actually plumb. They are level on the top. We would make sure that the units are plumb, and then we would put the screws into the bottom nailers to the drywall. As you can see, now we are going to plumb up the units, and then we're going to attach the unit to the wall. Now the nailers are attached to the walls. Now you would tighten up that bracket. It moves the tongue forward and and that kind of gives it a nice tight grip to the metal rail. Okay? So you have to do that and make sure that you don't, it creates a lot of force. So you want to be to a point that it's not going to sweep it off the wall. So you turn it till you feel it's nice and snug. And then we are doing another one in here. And you do the same to all the brackets. So this is after we have done the leveling. We did the attachment of, we use the nailer and then screw the nails into the wall. Now we are going to tighten up the brackets in place, the attachment, the touch between the brackets and the metal ring. Now, when you put your drawers in place, there is this ball bearing piece that moves back and forth. You have to make sure that this piece is all the way to the front. You bring it all the way to the front and you kind of hear a clicking noise. You do it on both sides. And then you get the drawer and then you insert the drawer. That bearing must be forward. If not, it could you can damage the drawer slides. These drawer slides are 75 pound rated, and really the only thing that can really happen that if somebody forgets to pull that, it can damage the slide. So we're going to put all the drawer slides in place, drawer boxes. And you'll see that you can pull it in and out, and it moves slowly, means that the drawer has been at the right place. Next step is to adjust the drawer fronts. So we are going to pull the drawer front, and then kind of like you can get the handles tight and snug. Now, to adjust the drawer fronts, attach the drawer fronts to the drawer boxes, we give you a washer and a screw. You put the washer and then put the screw and then put it through the hole on the drawer box. Now you get the drawer front, and the drawer front has a smaller hole in the front. And put the drawer front and pass the screws. The first one, you may want to have somebody to help you. Once you get the hang of it, it's very easy. And now that the screws are they went through the drawer front, it holds itself in place. You can put the handle and then tighten up the handle. Now, you put a little bit, tighten up the handle enough that you can wiggle the drawer front and it's not really, it doesn't drop. I mean, it's you can position it, adjust it, and then you get the gaps the way you want it to be. And pull it forward, and then you can tighten up the screws a little bit more. And then after that, you put the set of screws. The holes are already drilled on the back of the drawer box. The back of the drawer box, you see the screws, yes. Now, the drawer is nicely adjusted. Now, of course, we put the rods in place and the shelves, and this is the final project. Thank you for watching this video, and we will see you later.